Hey team, Andre Campbell here. Today is August 27th, and here's an update on the Bitcoin versus USD. And called this trade a few days ago, and actually it was last week. And we've been following this trade, waiting for it to break out and do something. And you can see right here, within the last 2 hours, it's gone up here and hit this 68.70 area that we're looking at. And originally we were trying to get through this area resistance, so that's 64, let's say 7,200 area. And it broke up, came back down, played around, came back down. This area became support, and now it's trying to break the 68.71 area. I'm going back to the 4-hour time frame, and I originally called this on the 4-hour time frame. If we can get through this area, look for it to be right here where my next take profit is at 71.63, let's say. And then on up to 74.81 up here. And once again, you know, these are just fib lines that I put on, and price is definitely respecting these fib line areas, and just some support and resistance zones. And you can also use the regular fib. What I'm gonna do is let me put on a regular Fibonacci here and see what we're looking like. Okay, bam, right there. There it is right there. So all you have to do, I'm using once again the MT4. This is the download version. You can also do this on the web version. And you can see right here, according to this, it just hit the 38.2. It came up there, back over here again on August 22nd. This area, as we can see over here prior, in order to know what may happen in the future, always look back. And we can see over here in August, around this August 5th time right here, this area was consolidation for a little while. If it's able to break this area, bam, bam, you know, that next target all the way up, the third target is going to be at the 74.73 area. So right now, Bitcoin and crypto is on the move. Here is a daily view of the whole thing. And let me do this. Let me just slap the fib on here so we see. I'm just going to go up here. And once again, definitely get into IML Academy, IML TV. Learn how to utilize Fibonacci, why it works, why the market represents and recognizes Fibonacci. Now this is an interesting look. Look right here, back up here at, let me see, I'm ducking underneath my mic. So I gotta, let's say about the 83 area. You know, that is the next major, you know, ceiling for this thing. This thing can go all the way up there. That's a 1,400 put move. Right now we're up about 400 pips already in this thing. And then you can see over here the next ceiling. So definitely utilize Fibonacci. Fibonacci is amazing. This is what the banks do. This is how the banks look at the market. And once again, get into some of these some of these trades, long-term trades. Don't put a lot of money on, so you won't be panicking when it's going back and forth, because we know how volatile, you know, cryptos can be, especially Bitcoin. Look at this. This thing just surged in a few minutes, almost 200 pips. But that's the power of Bitcoin. That's why we love it, because when it moves, it really moves. It rocks and rolls. Once again, always utilize proper risk management. Take your time. You know, there's no rush. The market's going to be here. It goes up, goes down, sideways. Be patient. That's one of the main things. And don't do what I used to do, what many people do. Don't overcomplicate your trading. It's easy to do. We want to throw so much stuff on this chart. Just keep it very simple. If you don't know, I utilize the Fibonacci chart, candlesticks here. Look at this area right here. Let me show you why I like Fibonacci candlesticks. Right here, when this was coming down, this is a D1 time frame daily. Every day was red, 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 red. So I just stayed in this trade all the way till I see at least a blue reversal pattern. If I had the regular candlesticks, let's see what happens here. I'm gonna put these on. You know, here you see more red, blue, red, blue. That gets a lot of people in and out of the trades. You know, some people prefer these candlesticks. I prefer, you know, the Fibonacci candlesticks, and you can add them very easily also. Buy on MT4. Once again, this is the download version. I know I'm talking fast. I'm going to get this information out, but watch the video over and over again. I'm going to go right here, click on line chart. Let's get rid of those candles. Here, I'm going to go up here to the indicator list. I'm going to go down to customs, and then I'm going to look for the Fibonacci right there. Boom. And here you can, it's defaulted to red and white. You can change the colors and different things, and you just hit OK, and it puts them on. So in this case, the white represents the bulls going long. Red represents the bears going short. And right now, let's look at even at the weekly time frame, and look at that Fibonacci on the weekly. You know, this area is a major support and resistance area. I'm gonna take this thing all the way up here. Let me see what we see. Boom. Okay, here's a window right here, and who knows? This thing may go up here. There's a possible W forming right here. could quite possibly be a W forming. I don't know. We cannot guarantee it. But we're going to keep our eyes open, and that could be the move. If that thing goes up, that's over 2,000 pips. Hey, once again, it's Andre. As always, I'm willing you prosperity in life and in business.